Arya kemana? Lupa ya? Ya Allah, Kak Cika sampai stres. Langsung aja yuk ya.
Yuk, maaf telat, baru ingat sekarang.
Ya Allah, oke. Langsung mulai ya.
Siap. Ntar.
Share screen ya. Share screen ya.
Oke. Code chef.
Go Chef. Yuk, biar dapat sertifikat ya. Semangat.
Ayo, share.
Yuk.
Kenapa putih? Kok gini sih?
Kenapa Put? Tungguin, belum loading ya. Nah,
Coba.
refresh. Nah, bukan sertifikatnya udah nungguin Arya tuh. Ya, liatin udah 76%, 25% lagi ngebut yuk. Oh, digit ngitung. Yang minggu lalu nih. Ntar. Berarti kita pakai kalau ntar ya kecil. Ika kayaknya tahu deh pakai ini coba. Tunggu. Pakai ini aja. Eh, lalu operator dan iPhone. Kayaknya bisa deh ya pakai division tapi largest integer. Ntar ya, kecil-kecil pilih.
Oke. Let's assume the number of digits in n is x. What is n? Num?
Num is the variable, right? Orang ya, Kak Cika udah bikin dah kemarin.
Oh
Lalu.
yeah, that's L. Count.
Ya. Oh ini nih ya, cobain ini. Kak Cika cobain gini ya. Tunggu dulu bentar. Mana chat? Nah ini. Nah berarti kan 26 lebih kecil dari 0. Lebih kecil, lebih besar dari 0. Coba ya Kak Cika tulis ulang ya.
answer.
Wow.
Troglodyte. Oh my god! Yeah, this was a common occurrence, and I genuinely don't know why I kept doing it. I just couldn't
Lebih
stand to
besar
watch
dari
someone be
0.
so hopelessly stupid. If you
Gitu.
like this, a whole video talking about my school experience.
Ntar dulu. N dibagi sama dengan
while num
kalau Kak Cika bikinnya gitu. Terus count
70
plus countnya ditambah 1. Return. Ntar lu ya, belum lengkap. Ini kan return count ya. Tunggu. Nggak pakai nggak usah pakai itu gimana ya? N itu kan negatif. Oke, tar ya. N jangan pakai return. Ini aja. Kan countnya 0. Ya gini aja. Udah. N-nya udah countnya 0. If N sama dengan 0, return 1. Ntar lo. If N sama dengan 0, sih bisa sih. Di sini selipin ini aja ya, di sini. Tunggu, mau ganti warna dulu.
By the time I made a video about school, considering it's like a
Di
Hallmark
sini,
story animator.
if N
But this
sama
video is
dengan
focusing on my high school experience.
5
Because middle school is going to have to be a separate video. Because as we all know, middle school is God's trial against humanity as a test of their
sama dengan
willpower.
1. Gitu.
Also, because I struggle to remember like a solid half of it.
Bisa nggak ya? Coba ya.
High school, yeah?
Jadi kalau misalnya kita punya misalnya,
Self-discovery.
kok lebih kecil dari 70 sih ya? Lebih besar dari 0.
Superiority complex
Ini
while simultaneously
lebih
devastating
besar dari
Let's
0.
get into it.
Ih, kayak 70 sih emang.
Sorry, just 1 second of your time, please. Guys, you'll never believe this, but I have
Besar dari 0.
another thing. Okay, so I got no crap. Plus,
Bentar lo.
pants or
Berarti kita coba ya kalau misalnya,
look at how cool this thing is.
misalnya
Sorry.
1, 2, 3.
That's for helping make this thing. You Crash for designing it. Thank you to.
Kak Cika cobain deh.
And back to the video. My high school years were already off to a great start, so bear with me while I try to explain why. During my last year of middle school, I went through character development, let's call it. And during this time, I heavily distanced myself from my small group of friends. And as soon as that year ended, I essentially disappeared and left them with little to no contact and without any real explanation of
Kita tes lagi.
to add icing to the cake. After isolating myself for several months, I decided.
Okay. While num 17 n equals that. No. I do
Lebih
not understand a single
kecil
thing.
bukan
Wait.
17 ya, lebih besar dari.
Oh, lebih
Hold on,
besar.
I'm going to rewrite dulu
Okay.
bentar. Kalau Arya mau coba, ikutin aja Kak Cika tes. Lebih besar dari 0. Ntar dulu, ada mana sih? Kok loading lama sekali? Tunggu ya, Kak Cika lagi loading. Kak Cika tes dulu ya. Kan 6 sama dengan input. Terus kan sama dengan 0 kan?
Myself out by going to an entirely new high school in a different district so that I can further distance myself from any previous close relationships I had.
Kan sama dengan
So yeah,
0. While 6 lebih besar dari 0. 6 sama dengan ini.
so there I am. Just a regular
Kok kebalik sih?
making our way through
kebalik. Dibagi 10 ya. Oh iya bener nih. Ini 10. Count 1. Print. Count. Tapi di sini tambahin if 6 sama dengan 0, count sama dengan 1. Coba ya.
Count
tes
for
dulu ya.
so let
Kak Cika
me
lagi
run
testing dulu nanti
this
Kak Cika tak.
really quick.
If 6. Oh ini nih salah ntar. Saya 1, 2, 3.
Kok time limit
Oh iya bisa
exceeded
ya.
sih?
Ini Kak Cika kayak gini bikinnya, tunggu. Sama Kak Cika dikasih yang versi tulisan ya biar Arya gampang ya. Tunggu.
Destroy the academic curve. You got that? Sir, yes, sir.
Nih 2 lah pokoknya.
And what came
Itu
out
udah jalan ya.
crazy, spiteful energy, just be better than everything around me, while also never seeing them once. I think I like the idea of being like, yeah, you don't know who I am. I'm better than you. And basically, to
Counting digits.
be honest, I think some of the faculty actually worship how we do like never.
Wah.
Kelihatan nggak ya?
Count equals 1. Count equals 1, okay.
Lebih jelas yang mana? Yang diketik apa yang ditulis tangan?
Yang diketik.
Oke. Ntar Kak Cika hapus yang tulisan tangan deh. Tunggu.
Kok plus sama dengan?
Hilang. Plus sama dengan tuh sama dengan count ditambah 1. Itu ringkasnya dari Python aja.
Oke.
Kelihatan nggak? Ih, itu nggak gitu ya. Yang baris 8 sama 7 geser ke kiri ya. Sejajar sama if. Baris 8 sama 9. Ya. Bukan. 7 masuk ya. 8 sama 9 ke kiri. Sejajar sama if. Ya, gitu. 9 juga.
Ya.
Cobain. Sebit. Harusnya 5 tuh. Jeng, jeng,
Yeay.
jeng. Yes. Oke, lanjut.
Oke.
Hah, sekarang prime.
The next problem is
Coba Arya dengerin dulu bilangan prima apa
the
coba.
number is right or wrong. You know that any number is
Tuh orang Indianya ngomong dulu.
and divisible by
Love you, Mom.
1 and it's
I'm so unbothered by it all. I did not. I was here to
We
win.
trap
Win what? Don't know. When I was winning,
to find the
I was going free. I did 4.0 GPA, A's in every class.
Let's go to some.
It was light work.
We start thinking, assume it is prime. We know we have to use a
Prime number.
2 and stops right before n. So use a for loop. Then I read this from 2 to
Ya,
n.
Pak.
Okay, let's enter the loop. Inside the loop, check if the values of I we divide our number n mod. That is, if n mod I equal to 0. If at any point I divide
Where I really shine.
then our number is not right. So if this condition is true, that means our number is not prime. So we set the variable is prime to false. Okay. Our logic to check whether a number is prime or not is complete. Now, once the loop is complete, use the if condition check if its prime is true. Then print number is prime to else print number is not prime. So let's analyze what happens when we take 5 as our number. Now, okay, so this is what we got. N is 5, our is prime is true. First, now we have to start off on where the iterator I starts from 2. The first iteration where I is 2, we check if n mod I is that was if 5 is 0, which is false. So this condition fails because 2 can't divide 5. Hence the value of is prime is not set to false and it remains true. In the second iteration where I is 3, 5 mod 3 equal to 0 is also false and our is prime remains true. In the third and the last iteration where I is 4, 5 mod 4 false. Condition fails, our is prime not set to false, it remains
Oh, itu katanya prime
we
number.
completed the loop, and since the value of this prime is different, number is prime. Now think of how the code will behave. The value is this is something for you. Figure out.
Ya Allah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, welcome to chemistry
Let me read this.
9 class. Most
Mana? Oh, lama.
that class. Don't ask me how. I don't
Sini
know.
dulu.
I was such a little shit about it too. I remember we were playing a study game where the class was split into 2 teams to basically play chemistry.
Apa nih sekarang? Prime number. Chef wants to write a code which checks the given number is prime. You are given a whole number n. Your task is to determine if n is a prime number or not. And print yes if it is prime, no if it's not. Berarti Arya harus, ini kan misalnya bilangan prima itu gimana? Bilangan prima itu adalah bilangan yang habis sama satu dan dirinya sendiri kan. Jadi kalau misalnya dia 7, dia tuh prime. Karena dia nggak bisa dibagi bilangan lain gitu kan. Berarti kan Arya bikin lagi kayak tadi. N sama dengan int input. Gitu kan. Terus while I lebih besar dari 0 if
Okay. Wait. Please do not tell me the answer. I wanna try myself.
Okay, you try. Okay. I'm going to delete ya, Arya cobain ya.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Wait, shit. If
Gimana? Udah
whole
dikasih sih sama
number
dia itunya.
n, your task is to determine if n is a prime number or not, and print yes if it is prime, or no if it is not.
I sama dengan 2. Ayo gimana? Pokoknya bilangan prima itu hanya habis dibagi 1 dan
Gimana ya?
gimana? Bilangan prima itu cuma habis dibagi 1 sama dirinya sendiri. Nggak tahu.
Wait, let me think.
Kalau di
Hey, look my hand. Look what I'm showing you right now. Oh man, there's this girl I want to ask out.
Coba ya.
I just don't know. She's so fast.
Oke,
So
saya
yeah,
coba
that
dulu.
was, something. I remember feeling so
Kalau di
bad.
Kumon diajarin nggak ya bilangan prima?
No, just in case I had to give it to him. Yeah, also he didn't know my name. To be honest, I sometimes think about what would have happened if we actually dated. Like, happy anniversary to my precious girlfriend whose name I still don't know because I'm too afraid to ask. Not sure how we would have gotten past that one. There's also this one other guy who I thought I had before. A little reminder, this is before I figured out I was a lesbian. See, since I was so good at chemistry, I moved over to AP class, also in. Now this guy, he Spoiler alert, I just had this weird one-sided rivalry with this dude, and I confused my admiration or jealousy for love. I don't know what it says about me as a person, but we're gonna move on. We had one conversation where I essentially was interrogating this poor guy about his chemistry project, and then we never spoke again. He ended up being valedictorian or something like that. Middle of that nerd there.
Hmm? 24.
But anyway, first year of high school done, and yes, COVID did hit during that.
Ayo, gimana ya?
Okay.
Gimana? Tambahin apa berarti?
So
Pokoknya dia cuma bisa dibagi satu sama dirinya sendiri. Berarti Arya nge-looping dia dibagi sama semua bilangan. Sebanyak looping itu coba.
I don't know. I do not know.
Ada bantuin?
Ntar aku mau lihat videonya lagi.
Coba. Lihat si Indianya lagi, India.
Ih. Ini. This it. You click this.
Ya.
Okay, welcome back. The next problem we'll solve is to check if a number is prime or not. We know that any number n greater than 1 and divisible by both the 1 and itself is called a prime. We loop from n minus 1 to find if a number exists in this range that divides n. Let's code this out. Before we start checking, we assume it is prime. We know we have to use a loop that starts from 2 and stops right before n.
Line. We've heard that same story 100 times. I ended up getting Sophomore of the Year award in the Science Department award, and no, I still, but I was balling.
Inside the loop,
Sophomore of the Year
check if
award.
the value
Smokey, I thought this was your first year of high school. Doesn't that make you a freshman? Okay, I wasn't gonna leave this because I thought it would just overcomplicate things. So if you don't care how the school system was organized, you can skip 20 seconds word now. So in my original school district, middle school included the years 7th grade through 9th grade, meaning that 9th grade, aka freshman year, was taken in the middle school building, and high school was started at 10th grade, meaning you could actually been in the high school building in 10th grade.
Okay.
Then
Our
my
logic to
school
check
district
whether a
got
number is
changed,
prime
and this school
yes.
district had 9th grade
Now,
freshman year taking
once the
place
loop is
in the high school
complete,
building.
we use
Does
the
that make sense?
if condition
No?
to
Cool.
check
Moving
if
on.
it's prime.
Now we're on
When
this year I was
we
invited to
number
one
is
program called
prime.
the IB program,
Hence, we
which
print
stands
number
for
is not prime.
International Baccalaureate.
So let's analyze what happens when we take 5 as our number. Now, okay, so this is what we got. N is 5, our is prime is true. First, now we have to start off our loop, where the iterator I starts from 2. The first iteration, where I is 2, we check if n mod I.
Wait, what does this weird thingy again do?
Oke, ntar lu ya. Masih inget mod gak ya? Jadi, ntar kasih
kurang.
kejelasin dulu. Karena itu ada gini, tunggu ya. Operator kan di Python tuh ada, Arya udah tahu kan, pasti yang plus sama minus sama kali kan udah tahu ya.
Sama kali sama itu bagi.
Kalau misalnya kalinya 2 berarti di pangkat 2 kan?
Ya.
Nah, kalau bagi itu hasil bagi ya. Jadi hasil bagi, this is the remainder, hasil bagi. Kalau mod sorry, ini sisa, ini hasil bagi. Ya, benar nih hasil bagi. Sorry, hasil bagi. Jadi misalnya 10 bagi 3 berarti 3 kan? Nah, kalau mod itu sisa Jadi 10. Jadi kalau saya gini. 10 dibagi 3 berapa? Kasih bagi 3.
3 sisa 1.
Iya, 10 mod 3 berapa? Sisa 1. Kalau misalnya gini apa? Yang tadi Kak Cika pakai kan?
Ya.
Jadi yang tadi dipakai. Nah, kalau ini berarti sisanya kan yang ini. Sisa baginya. Artinya apa? Kalau
Oke.
dia itu habis dibagi 2 udah pasti bukan prima ya. Karena dia nggak boleh genap, pasti ganjil. Tapi 5 7 sama 9 yang prima kan ini ya. Yang ini nggak prima soalnya bisa dibagi 3 gitu. 3 juga prima. Jadi bilangan yang nggak punya faktor selain 1 sama dirinya sendiri itu bilang prima. Prime numbers. Gitu Arya.
Oke.
For roommate.
Arya.
Honestly, I don't remember much about it. It was supposed to be some sort of college prep bullshit where you had to take really
Oke,
specific
lanjut.
quizzes, and I hated it. Yeah, I hated it so much. Now, mind you, I didn't hate it because I couldn't handle it. I was fine, but the grading system would make me grind my teeth. You could get an answer 100% right, but if you failed to mention one minuscule detail that they deemed was important, points. So imagine the answer to a question is 10, but they wanted you to write 10.0. Same answer, right? No, not in their eyes. You're getting docked points. Die. Plus, there was also huge projects and like random classes we had to take that I believed was a waste of time. So about halfway through the year, I just threw in the towel and dropped out of the program. I hate this place. Yeah, it turns out if I just took 1 or 2 extra classes, I could just graduate early, and that's exactly what I did. Year of 2022 when I was 16. Looking back, I do regret not trying to reach out and make new friends because I missed out on a lot of those fun opportunities, long-lasting friends. I do have one friend though that I kept from middle school. Hey, Ray. She's
Right.
lemons. So was my high school experience everything the movies made it out to be?
Ini
No,
apa
not
yang
at all.
kurang?
Is there any moral lesson to learn from my experience? No, not really. I made no friend.
Okay.
I is if. That is, if 5 mod 2 is 0, which is false. So this condition fails because 2 can't divide 5. Hence, the value of is prime is not set equal and it remains true.
Exactly.
Second iteration where I is 3, 5, 3 equal to 0 is also false.
She's too young for
That
this
is
already.
prime remains true. In the third and the last iteration, where I is 4, find false. Condition fails. R is prime is also not set to false. It remains true. So we've completed the loop, and since the value of is prime is true, the correct number is prime. Now think of how the code will behave when the value of n is 6. This is something going to figure out.
Okay. I think I barely understand it now, and I will proceed to whine about how I can't solve this question and go back and forth for another half an hour.
All right. Let's do it.
You seem oddly optimistic.
I'm watching. Bisa Arya dia bisa.
So n where's the weird thingy on my thingy thing? Yes. Equals
the nearest floor number.
1. How do I make it
False.
like it is prime?
Is prime
So
sama
like
dengan
if
true.
this is 1, then is prime is true.
Ya, true. Equals true aja bikin ya.
Oh, okay.
True-nya, T-nya besar. Ya. Mm-mm. Coba, Ari coba dulu.
Oke, jadi gini aja. Oke.
Cobain. Bener nggak?
Leh.
Leh, kalau dia habis dibagi satu, kalau dia dibagi sisa satu, maka dia prime. Padahal nggak gitu ya.
Gimana dong? Gimana dong?
Berarti kalau dia, pokoknya gini, cek dulu dia ganjil atau genap. Ganjil itu artinya dia, yang tadi Arya coba. Kalau di mode dengan I, dia sisa satu. Tapi kan dia juga harus dicek. Dia bisa dibagi bilangan sebelumnya nggak? Jadi harus bikin while-nya ya. Tunggu ya, kecek bikin juga ya. Biar area ini ya. Kita balapan ya. Nih kalau versi kecil ke gini, tunggu bentar. Oh, mana tadi? Collab, collab. Collab, collab. Collab, collab, collab.
I want to say thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. Actually, what the hell, that was so sudden. I am so immensely appreciative of all of you and the support you gave me on my last video. Anyway, today is kind of a heavy story since 16-year-old me was basically getting groomed, but you know, it happened. It is what it is.
Sekarang
Back when I was working for a certain
Right.
sandwich shop, there's this guy I worked with. People call our
berarti kan
I
N
had
sama
been at
dengan
the sandwich shop for a couple of years at that point, and it was
input
just a job I had on the side while I was still. He was cool and all, very nice, but always very friendly. And 16-year-old me, I love it at the time. Now, I'm not sure
input
if you remember or you watched any of my
yang
earlier videos.
salah kebalik
And you will remember I had
in
another coworker who was called
input
also in her early
gitu kan
40s, and she and I were really close friends at the time.
while
Daisy,
M
man, she was
lebih besar
sweet.
daripada
Girl did
0
me so wrong so often. Not like on purpose, but she did not think about how her words affected other people's actions. Daisy, Archie, and I were all in the same shifts together.
kan kalau
We even started hanging out a little bit outside of work.
M
But
sama
I was
dengan
never trying to be alone. Hey, Rose. How
1
old are you again? I'm 16. Oh my gosh. So young. Would have thought you were at least 19 or 20. Oh,
is
no,
prime
I'm 16. I get that a lot though. The whole
dengan
being tall thing. Bro, tell me why this man needed white permission to point out how old I was.
nggak gitu ya. Ntar lu lebih gampang gini. Kan
Every
dia
little
gini
step.
aja, wow.
Literally on that really true age. Or, yeah, just
I,
like your own 16.
oke
Like,
gini.
it would sometimes be
I sama dengan 1.
framed as a compliment, so like it never sounded so terrible to those around me.
1 tuh
At least that's what I have to assume. Like, bro, no one said anything about it.
prime nggak sih?
Yeah, started early. Well, then you're not really at high school. Well, I mean, technically. Really? Hang out today? Oh, sure. I'm not doing anything. Oh,
Yeah, do you want to come? We were probably just going to smoke and watch some dumb TV shows.
heck yeah.
Gini aja.
Archie and Daisy hit it off and became friends. And for a minute, I actually thought that Archie potentially
Pakai
interested
for
in
aja,
me.
kasih ke
Well,
for
because
I
we became age
in
small and
language
also both being single. But
and
no, unfortunately, I could not be that lucky.
if and
Hard to imagine you.
dibagi I
You're just so
sama
smart.
dengan 0,
Like talking. See you at
maka
work.
dia
Okay, Archie. See you tomorrow. See, Archie and I, we would talk at work.
Right.
Sometimes hang out with Daisy. That was mostly the only contact I had with Archie.
else
However, sometimes Archie would give Daisy a ride to work. They would
is
talk on the side too.
prime sama
Now,
dengan 2.
according to what Daisy said, one day on the way to work,
Terus
Archie says, "Man,
prime
so young. I mean, literally."
is
I know, she's such a cute kid.
prime.
I really like talking with her.
No,
Coba ya.
I just wish she was a couple years older. Just exact my
Dua.
type of woman. But I could never date someone that.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. She's famous for that sort of thing.
Yeah.
ini dari 1 sampai N plus 1. Misalnya 1
Like, and at
bukan
first,
prime.
no, then
Kalau 2 bukan prime. 3 bukan. Tunggu dulu. Kok gini?
No, Archie would never be picking on you like that. Honestly, he would never do anything.
Kalau dia
I know what
kok
you
iya, taruh I in range, if in range and break ya. Kalau dia dibagi I sama dengan ini.
16-year-old me went on some.
Oh, jangan dari 2, dari sini dong.
Wants me to assume what a statement obviously meant.
Hmm,
I'm a big fucking idiot. So I shrugged it
ini
off.
if
Once went on and he would make more
um
comments about how pretty I was and how I must get a lot of attention from guys. More and more comments about my
enggak
age.
gini dulu.
Suddenly, Christmas and I had known him for about 6 months.
Berarti berapa? 1, 2,
Where am I now? Freaky subs? What
3,
the?
Look.
I'm already here. I might as well get something.
4,
Now let me get a
false.
extra free.
5.
Yeah, like so freaky. I won't be
Look.
able to stand in the
Hah,
morning. Appreciate it.
tapi kenapa
Yeah, make
2?
that quick. Got a fight to get back to. Yeah.
Oh ya.
What do you mean you've never done a
Eh.
drive-by of houses for Christmas? I've driven by houses.
Oh, taruh lo kalau 2 1. Berarti dari 1 dong. Tapi kalau 1 taruh kalau 1 kalau 2 false. 3.
Yeah, I
Look.
think so. Here's your order. Have a good day.
Got it. What? No, it's not that big. No way, I'm not letting you miss. Oh, this was tradition.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
You did me at
Gimana
my
ya?
house. We'll have.
Kan dia 1. Kalau dia
Also,
1,
get the house with decorations. It'll be fun.
Okay, Archie.
So after Daisy and Archie decided that
Eh.
we would go on this little trip, I took a deep breath and thought to myself, it's one awkward night, Daisy will be there, so nothing crazy will happen. I'm on my way to pick up Daisy and already confirmed with Archie that I'd be there soon when I get a call.
Girls, I think I go to this thing. I'm not mentally up right now. I'm sorry.
I don't know if I want to go along with Archie. I feel like that would be weird.
So don't.
oh dibagi 1.
I
Berarti
don't
bagi
feel
dari
bad
2
about
dong.
not going.
Yeah, but like I already said I was gonna be on my way, and big focus
Hmm.
now. So I gotta be the one to
Hmm.
say, yeah, Daisy's not going, so I don't want to.
I don't know,
Kalau
Rose.
2
Wanna go? Let's go. And we're last.
I'll be back at his house, and it was really obvious. It seemed like his words were slurry, and I saw a lot of cans hanging around. And immediately my mind's screaming, but I'm already freaking there, and he's in front of me, and if I walk up right now, so I'm you're here.
Empat.
Come on, let's roll the little
5.
go. Oh, I don't really want to smoke.
Hmm.
Drive later. Come
Hah?
on.
Kok 6 terus sih?
Oh,
Enggak dong.
I'd rather not driving intoxicated and then get in a wreck at the moment.
Oh, gini. Gini. 6. Ih,
So funny, Yola. Okay. Go sit down. In my head, where I was felt wrong. Like the entire time I'm thinking about how I'm uncomfortable, but it'd be rude to leave, so I figured I just waited out. Over, it would be over. Isn't this video great? I knew you'd like. Yeah, pretty great. Getting kind of late though, so let's go look at the houses.
ini.
Oh,
Ini di sini.
no, you're not interrupting anything.
Is prime sama dengan true. Nah, ini gini. Coba.
No, I'm 16. That is not what we are. What do I do, Bill?
Ini kayak udah bener deh ya. Apa ya? 8, 9. Kok 9 true sih? Enggak dong.
I mean, 16. Yeah. You know what? Let's go on that. Okay, but you
Itu
should not
9.
drive.
9 dibagi 2.
Archie, you are drunk.
9 dibagi 3. 0. Berarti langsung break.
Why not drive? Or worry. No, not. teacher saying I should not be doing this, but for whatever reason, I felt like, I don't know, I was maybe misinterpreting it, or maybe I was told myself to think he's into me. No, I actually wanted to
Dibagi
play because it was dumb.
sama dengan 0, berarti kan 3. Bisa break dong.
Yeah, I thought I wish I got to do this kind of stuff with my family more. But nice.
Yeah.
I don't home and someone had a good night, and as soon as I left, I felt like a wave of relief wash over me. After that, I tried not to talk. He ended up getting into an accident at work and then rage quit because it wasn't going to be covered by the company. And
Oke, tunggu.
have anyone who was significantly easy with back, adults should recognize that
Iya.
it's a kid if you wear that back. And 9-year-old me, and don't get
Wrong with
What's up? I'm Daxter, and this ain't no ordinary storytime animation.
Oke, gini dulu berarti. Ini true dulu. Is prime sama dengan false. Else.
Well, these were a strange couple of days. I started making the video that I've been working on for the past couple of weeks,
Ini
so
benar
I can
nih.
talk about an amazing manga that I found
Oke.
recently, because I wanted to talk about it as soon as possible. And
Belas.
now I stopped working on that video to talk about this trash pile. It's called Nice King Who Returned with a God, and it's hands down the
True
worst
dong
manga
harusnya.
The Nice King Who Returned with a God, and it's hands down the worst manhwa I've ever read. And I have read some foul ones. Some of them start off great, then turn to shit later. Others are bad from the get-go, but at least they try their best to give you a good first impression. But
Lebih
this
kecil
is the first time I have ever
sama
struggled
dengan
to finish the first chapter of a Korean manhwa.
1.
I had to make so many excuses. I had to cope so hard. Maybe they'll do this. Maybe they'll do that. Maybe there's a twist coming. But no, it's just shit. I'll only be talking about the first chapter
Berarti
because
dia
that's all I
dari
read, plus a bit of chapter.
iya.
Trust me, I've tried. You guys know that I usually read the 10 chapters of a manga before forming an opinion on it. That is unless it's really, really good, or in this case, really, really bad. Because I don't care if this manhwa goes on to become the
Oh,
Citizen's Kane of
ngerti.
manhwa. If this is how you present your first chapter, how you introduce your
Berarti dia
protagonist,
ngerti.
then I have no interest in what else you have to offer. The story feels like the ramblings of an edgy teen, protagonist is awful, and the art is, well, let's talk about the art, then we'll move on to the story. The art style is very good. Or is it? You see, shortly after they released the first chapter in May of this year, people were quick to point out that the art looks very AI.
Ini. Nah, 12 false.
It does.
9
But that's not all. You're up
false. 13 true. 15 false. 17 true. 19 true. Ini kayak gini ya. Coba ya, area mana? Area di mana? Ini Kak Cika bikinnya gini. Coba area sama nggak?
You're also accused of treating the Washington Tensei anime, which, if you look at these panels together, is very hard to not see the similarity. For me, it was this single panel that gave me pause. It's not a direct hit of the anime. If you told me it was, I would believe you. Because it looks like Rudy looked out of the window.
Yeah.
They even have the same clothes, just a different color. Also, they just straight up copies. It's like, how can you mess this up? It's a trend. It's just a tree with arms and legs. Then you had the manhwa, they just came out and said that they did in fact use AI only for the finishing touches of the art. Me personally, I don't mind it if the artists use AI for the finishing touches with shading and lighting. But this is just what they say.
Mana?
Whether you believe them or not, it's on you. They knew that Biroli chapter the art and by the poor Shadowell. Now, if this happened somewhere in the later chapters where they're like under time history, attempted to take a shortcuts in there, it would still be wrong. I would at least understand why they did it. But this is the goddamn first chapter. What were they thinking? Now for the story. Detective is a guy from an orphan overworked himself to death to the son of a noble in fantasy war. He grows up and starts training to become a paladin. After years of training and wandering and fighting, he was acknowledged by the goddess and became a holy knight. And after more years of fighting and war, he became a king, followed by even more wars against orcs, demons, and cults. Then eventually, some goober king sacrificed his life along with 3 million of his citizens. Don't ask me how he managed to achieve that. All for a ritual to summon the Lord of Chaos, who opened the portals to the demon world and began the apocalypse. Most of humanity was annihilated, except for the protagonist and his army, who were getting ready for their last stand against billions of monsters. So they fought and fought until everyone died except for the protagonist. He kept on fighting for 200 years, until he finally managed to destroy the last demon gate. Then he kept fighting until he eradicated all the demons. That's when he meets some modern day things who came through a portal, and where the story turns into
Apa
another solo
saja?
leveling Gates and Dungeons clone. And the cherry on top is this game panel notification. Oh god, you didn't have to
Okay.
do that. I already think this manhwa is garbage. You don't have to
Nah.
confuse me even more. You may think that I just did a quick summary of the events of the first chapter, but you would be wrong. That is exactly how they are portrayed in the chapter. It's all just one big slideshow of this guy's life, and it's as boring as it seems. At no point do they even try to make me invested in, well, anything at all. The world was destroyed, humanity was annihilated. The protagonist fought non-stop for years alone against monsters and blood, and they tried to cram in 10 chapters worth of content into one. If anything, I think I did a better job summarizing it. I delivered the same events with the same emotional impact, which is 0, and with less words. Also, I will never forgive them for making this part. Cringe is a sin. Now for the main reason why I dislike this model, the protagonist. By the end of the first chapter, he is extremely overpowered. He doesn't seem to age, and he managed to single-handedly kill billions of monsters. That's right, billions. Told you this was written by a 14-year-old. Either way, you would need to try very hard to make a compelling story with a protagonist like that. But him being OP doesn't make him a bad protagonist. Here's what makes him a bad protagonist. I don't know about you guys, but when a character says shit like, I killed women and the children and felt refreshed, it's time to pull the fucking brakes. Like the shit like, I killed the women and the children and felt refreshed, it's time to pull the fucking brakes. Like, chill out, Attila. I remember reading this part like, I massacred the orcs, including the women and the children. Oh, this guy's a war criminal. I felt so refreshed. Nope, he's just a maniac. But still, I thought maybe they're just doing this to build him up as a cruel character. Then later have him realize the errors of his way and do his character development that way. But no, get worse from here. He goes on to say shit like this, become a slaver, and later on uses slaves in the final battle as human shields. Now just think for a second how fucked up this is. It's humanity's last stand versus certain doom. They are the only humans left, and he has slaves. So, instead of giving them weapons to help in battle or to defend themselves, he used them as meat shields. That is impulsive. That is not how you write a genocidal protagonist. At least when you look at characters like Eren, who did what he did, he knows how bad it is eaten by guilt, and says he's going to hell for it. Or another example is Dwight, who massacred men, women, and children, but acknowledged how horrible that is, decides to bear those sins and keep walking towards his goal to become the ultimate evil and save humanity. When characters exhibit guilt or remorse, it shows that they still have a moral compass, even if they are going against it. Nobody likes to follow the story of a protagonist with no morals. And one of the biggest examples of how to not morally alienate your audience is the Joker movie. It does an excellent job of portraying the villain
Cek. Arya ini kayak yang Kak Cika Arya rubah ke yang
The
enggak
victim.
yang
The
Arya
attacker.
biar tapi kayak gitu logiknya cuman is prime diganti.
Hmm. Maaf tadi agak nge-lag gitunya.
Wah, ya ini Kak Cika udah bikinin tapi Arya pasti harus sesuaiin dulu sama yang Arya.
Oh, oke oke oke.
Jadi kalau Arya berarti sebenarnya sama aja sih. Nanti paling dia ngeprint kalau Kak Cika ngeprint is prime kan. Kalau Arya ngeprint ya sama no. Sebenarnya sama aja.
Yeah, wait,
Cobain
wait,
dulu.
wait. Let me try and figure this out.
We always see is the main character getting abused by his environment again and again. And when he finally fights back, can't help but root for him. Despite the fact that if you look at what he did from an objective standpoint, it is evil. And because this manhwa didn't bother making you invested in the protagonist and his motives, there is only the objective standpoint left. And that's not a good spotlight for a protagonist. And even if you make the argument that those were not humans, they were orcs, monsters, therefore it's good to kill them, well, let's take a look at Goblin Slayer. He kills goblin kids in the first episode. But the Goblin Slayer manga makes it its job to keep hammering the point that goblins are irredeemable evil. They are monsters that rely on rapid women to sustain their species. They have no civilization or communities, and even if one of them becomes smart enough to organize them, they are even worse than before. The manga repeatedly tells you that no matter what, you should never show them mercy, because nothing good will come of it. Which is something that this manga doesn't bother doing. They're like, here are orcs, and DMC just leave it aside. Fighting a morally gray or an evil protagonist that artful. It either works or it doesn't work at all. There's no middle ground. A well-crafted morally gray character will prompt introspection and engagement. But here, the lack of internal conflict hinders any emotional connection to the narrative and detaches the readers from the hero's journey. But it's not like the journey itself seems to have anything interesting to it. Because I can already predict it. He's gonna go to Earth, then become a hunter, work towards bringing people to the region of his goddess, he'll join some sort of hunter association, or make one of his own. He'll fight monsters and probably fight some other hunters that are bad hunters. Try something shady. Then he'll also fight another association or a government to try to manipulate him or control him. He'll do that all while the other side characters will be like, oh wow, he's so strong. The way later on, he'll be the guy who summoned the Lord of Chaos. He will be like some sort of powerful demon or something like that. I wonder how much did I get right. But oh well, my words are not gospel. If you like this manhwa, then that's fine.
Hmm.
What a day, huh? You look bored.
Oh.
I can fix that. How about some fun manga? See, that's more like it. The manga is called Orewa Seikan Kokka no Aktokoriyo, or I'm the Evil Lord of an Intergalactic Empire. It's one of those manga that you have to look by its title, or the cover, or the synopsis, or the first couple of chapters. Alright, I know I'm not making a good case for it, but hear me out, okay? When I first found this manga, I didn't have high hopes for it. I even tried the first chapter, and I just thought this manga would be bad, so I dropped it. But as I backed up from the chapter, I noticed the author's name. It's the same author of The World of Otome Games is Stuff for Mom, which is one of my favorite pieces by him. It's so fucking good. The manga, not the anime. The enemy's garbage. When I found out that this manga was from the same author, naturally I was like, look, you want me to call? Not shield like that. Alright, you're good. So sick. I am now caught up to the latest chapter, and I gotta say, it's really fun. If you like the world of Otome Support Mobs, then you're gonna love this one. They have a lot of similarities, like the world being a hybrid of sci-fi and fantasy, with mechs, lots of mech fights. The author really loves his mecha. So the story starts with a man lying alone in his bed. He coughs out blood, and it seems he's at the end of his rope. The man reflects back on his life. He tried his best. He worked hard, got married, and had a child. But at the end, it all came crumbling down. His wife divorced him. His boss framed him for fraud. And he started getting chased by debt collectors for a debt that wasn't his. One day, life. As he lies there, he is by the most trustworthy looking guy ever. The strange man appears out of nowhere and offers to send the guy to another world where he can start his life anew. He introduces himself as Guy, but before that, he shows him the truth. His wife was cheating on him all along, and the child wasn't even his. The harlot not only made him pay child support, she was the one who pushed her debt onto him. The man curses himself for not realizing this sooner, for not doubting her. He vows to get revenge. But it's too little too late now. It's time to move on. The most trustworthy looking guy ever gives him a few options and tells him to prove it.
Okay, I will attempt to solve this.
Oke, ayo, ya, tinggal 3 menit. Pokemon.
Okay, wait.
Kayaknya gitu aja juga udah jadi deh
How
ya.
do I do?
Tinggal ditiru.
Choose which world he wants to get
Udah
isekai.
sama kan?
The man
Ya udah
chooses the
sama.
man.
Maka Cika
Knowing
pakai
that in
if
his next life,
di atasnya,
he
terus
will
pakai
never
for.
let this happen again. He will cast away his kindness and become cruel and trample over others for his gain. He will become an evil lord. After the man dies, the most trustworthy looking guy ever starts laughing as he got himself a little food source. See, this guy is a creature who feeds on people's resentment and negative emotions. And he was the one behind the man's misery all along. And that's why you should never trust a guy with a top hat. Even him sending the man to another world was also part of the plan. They told him he will be reincarnated as a rich noble and have an easy life. But instead, he will ruin his life yet again, all in order to make the man resent him even more. This looks up as Liam Banfield. The world he was sent to is a sci-fi fantasy hybrid, where he is part of an interstellar empire, which is like, for example, a noble's territory in that empire is an entire planet. Like in Dune, humans in this world have long lifespans. They can live for hundreds of years. Liam is the heir to the Banfield house, a noble family that rules over a planet. Alright, where's the catch? On his 5th birthday, his parents handed over the entire planet to him. That doesn't sound bad. Then they took all the money and went to live in the capital. Also, the house is in debt. Also, the territory is poor. Also, there's public unrest. Also, they give to them a robot maid.
Problem.
Oh, ini. Biar enggak lagi. Nah.
Berapa menit selesai?
Semenit lagi.
Berapa tadi?
Iya, kayak
Satu jam.
20 menit.
20 menit.
Bingung dah.
Tiru aja ya udah persis kayak gitu. Cuman colornya pakai while, Kak Cika pakai if. Kak Cika pakai if,
Tiru
Dagita
aja.
pakai for.
Oh, oke. Just run through.
Tiru aja.
And
Tapi baris 11 sama 14 jangan dirubah ya. Itu di sebelumnya aja.
oh, oke.
Nah, eh, nah, nah ada yang lagi proses. Semangat Arya. Tuh, kalau Kak Cika cek. Kalau dia angkanya 0 atau 1, dia bukan prime. Nah, mulai dari 2 dicek. Tapi kalau dia habis dibagi bilangan sebelum itu. Nah, bener gitu ya. Coba segitu aja. Terus udah gitu bener. Udah. Coba langsung submit nih. Wow. Kayaknya
Widih.
harusnya bener. Yes. Waduh, pas. Well done, Arya. Ini dikasih
Ya,
hapus aja ya.
ya. Kasih Kak Cika udah ngebantu aku.
Ya, thank you for today, Arya.
Yes, yes. I will try to be more productive every day.
Alright. Semangat.
Yes, thank
Dadah.
you. Assalamualaikum.
Salam.